Good morning. This is a recording for Tuesday, March 4th. Today we will do a practice titled, What Are You Waiting For? Waiting is an avoidable fact of life. No, waiting is an unavoidable fact of life. Often when we're waiting in traffic, at the DMV, for our food to arrive, we grow impatient or frustrated, and that's okay. We just focus entirely on getting to the front of the line and completing the task. In these moments, though, when you have nothing to do but wait, you have a perfect opportunity to practice and encourage mindfulness. So let's try it now. Again, we will do kind of a practice run, imagining waiting in line or holding on the phone or whatever it is for you. And then during your day, you'll have the opportunity to engage in the practice for real. Right now, take a comfortable position, and as always, take a few moments to settle. Settle into your body, your heart, your mind. Settle into this moment, right here, right now. Allow your breath to be nice and soft and completely natural. And as always, just notice how this natural breath flows through your body, how your body responds to this breath. Now imagine any scenario where you have to wait for something. Whether you're physically waiting in line or waiting on hold on the phone, use the experience or the memory of this experience or anticipation of this experience of waiting as your cue to practice. Use it as your awareness trigger. What is it you're waiting for? Pay attention to that. You're likely waiting for something specific. Bring this to mind, recognizing the nature of the experience. For example, if you're waiting in line at the grocery store, the specific result you're waiting for is to just be done with it, have all your items checked out and leave. So what is it for you and how does it feel? Check in to see if there is any impatience or frustration arising with the waiting. Watch for the energy in the body that results in perhaps fidgeting or the urge to take your cell phone out, which I do often, guilty as charged. If you feel the energy of impatience, see if you can soften into it and allow it to just be present. Remember, we don't have to like something to be okay with that. Now bring your feeling awareness to the feet on the floor and gently scan the body from the ground up, bringing your feeling awareness to each part of the body for one breath. Use this body scan to stay present, noticing any difficulties that arise, and see if you can be with those difficulties without trying to run away from them. I'll give you a few moments for that. Now imagine that you move forward in line or even get to the end of it and continue practicing mindfulness of the body. Notice if the body relaxes or maybe gets excited when you get toward the front of the line. See how the body feels when you finish the task and have the waiting behind you. How does that feel? And remember, it's neither good nor bad. Just notice what is. Now bring your hands to your heart and send the energy of loving kindness to yourself for doing this practice and for your intention to practice this in real life. May I be filled with loving kindness. May I be well in body and mind. May I feel cared for, protected, at ease. May I remember that I have enough, I do enough, and I am enough. May I touch deep, natural peace. As you let go of this practice, briefly scan your body again and notice what's going on for you right now, physically, emotionally, mentally. How are you really? And of course, now that we've done the practice run, I encourage you to do this for real during your day, whenever you have to wait for something, whether it's a delivery of your food, or standing in line at the grocery shop, or being on hold on the phone, which may be one of the most annoying experiences. As always, enjoy your discoveries. Thank you so much for being here today. Have a gorgeous day. Tomorrow is Wednesday with Lorna's breathing practice, and I will see you on Thursday.